What's up, y'all? Excuse me. So, what was yesterday? Friday? Yeah, so yesterday morning I got on live and did like a little short get ready with me. I didn't really do nothing but take my hair out. But since yesterday, I have not touched my hair whatsoever, and it's almost wash day for me. And I'm going to do this hairstyle, but I was like, why not show y'all how I do it? Because everybody is like, oh my god, Sorrel can slick her hair down. Yes, her shits be slick to the gods. And I'm like, okay. So first thing you need to do, make sure your lips is moisturized. Because I don't know why every time I do a video, my lips is never moisturized. Or they're always dry. So hopefully this video makes it up to YouTube, because for some reason I have not been, like, I'll record videos and then delete them because I don't know. But I'm going to start by taking down my hair. Okay, I'm going to take it down the proper way. So first, well actually no, I need to leave this up here. So first we're going to start by handling this mess. So you're going to make sure you have a spray bottle, or if your hair is already wet, then this process will be a little easier. If not, then get you a spray bottle. Mine's is damn near empty, but I'm working with whatever water in here. So you're just going to spray your hair at the top. Okay, spray at the bottom. Try not to spray, ouch, try not to spray your ends. I got to take this off. Okay, so now if you have a paddle brush or a comb, just lightly comb your hair. Don't comb all of it out, just okay. Mine's a little tangled because I did not braid it up before I went to sleep last night, so we're not even gonna worry about that. Okay, so now if you want like a big poof, then yeah, go ahead and comb it all out if you want to. So now you're gonna take some Eco Gel. I'm using the Crystal Eco Gel. Okay, so you can use whatever Eco Gel you want, whatever one works for your hair. Just because somebody in the video has a certain product that they use for their hair doesn't mean you gotta use it too. You work with what you got, sweetheart. I want to do a product review on that, what's that gel, that little crystal something extreme, that's what it is. Because I've been hearing about it, and I walked past it in beauty supply stores, but I never bothered to like get it. So I don't know. But you're just going to put some gel around the perimeter, and you don't need a lot. It looks like I'm putting a lot on there, but I promise you I'm not. I'm just grabbing little bits at a time so I can make sure I evenly distribute it. So now you're going to take a brush. I need to get a new one. But you're going to take a hard bristle brush, and you're just going to brush it all back. Okay. Now, whatever side you're going to put your bun on, ouch, my hair got caught in my earrings. You're going to brush it to that side the most, okay? And then you're going to make sure you got it all nice and flat too, because, yeah, we don't want no lumps or nothing. Then you're going to grab another ponytail holder, or your first one, and you're going to put this into a temporary ponytail. A temporary ponytail, give y'all school y'all on temporary ponytails, is not the efficient one, which means do not put it tight, okay? Don't put it in there as if it's the actual thing, because then you're going to be mad trying to take it out. So, when I do my side ponytails, my side buns, you do your side part on the opposite side of the ponytail or the poof is on. So, you're going to take a rat tail comb. Do not come for my comb. We've been through a lot. So I'm going to do a curved one. So I'm going to start like this. Just going to curve it. I'm going to separate it. And if your part isn't straight enough, keep fixing it. But it seems like today my hair wants to part correctly, so and you're just gonna brush it out. Make sure this the part that needs to be like detangled, like the top part, all it needs to be detangled. So okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start using section. So we're gonna tie this big section back and we're gonna start with the small one. So this section is pretty small, so I don't really need to do a lot, but I'm just gonna spray it with some water. And to be honest, the more water you use, it really should be the less gel you use. The more water you use, the less gel. So it can save you some coin. Okay. I think my elbow is ashy. I'm not sure. I don't know if my elbow is ashy. I don't really care either. Okay. So then after that, you're going to take your brush and you're just going to brush it back. My hair keeps getting caught on my earrings. And sometimes it hurts, depending on how bad it is tangled in there. So the reason why we did that temporary ponytail is so you could just go ahead and pull it out and add that section to the ponytail. Okay. So now we're gonna deal with this part. We're gonna fix that later. So, a trick that I do for any slick ponytail, any low ponytail whenever my hair is not wet, is we lay it down in sections. So I'm going to part this. It's probably going to be like 3 whole sections. So I'm going to take this section and we're going to work with this. So what I'm going to do is detangle it, which is already in, we already combed it. So then, I'm going to wet it. Take a little bit of gel, you don't need a lot. Then you're going to take your brush, you're going to brush it back and down into ponytail. Ouch. Last time I did this hairstyle though, my hair was, what was it, straight? I think it was like straight. Yeah, it was straight. It was like the day before wash day, so I was like, let me just do this lazy ass hairstyle. But it was actually pretty cute. I never done it before, but yeah. Actually, no, I did, but I was like in middle school and it didn't come out right. So I was like, yeah. So I'm taking a paddle brush, making sure I can get it flat. And then I'm brushing it down. Now we're going to take this last section. And with this section, you can see, kind of. Okay, so of course we're going to detangle it. Then you're going to wet it. So now, for this section, I'm going to use something a little different. I'm going to add something. I'm going to use beeswax. Now this right here, that's good for slicking down your hair. Like seriously, I've been using this for almost a year now, and like, yeah, this is like, I don't know. Since I've been using that, I have not used no other. You see that? Look, I barely even used any. But I have not used no edge wax or anything, because I don't know why. I have not found an edge wax that has worked for me. So I was in the beauty supply store, I stumbled upon it. I was like, Well, this is the first to see that it's black, because usually edge waxes are white, and so they might have a little resin or whatever in it, and it just don't look okay. Just got some gel on my face. Ooh, skin looking good. Okay, so now that you have enough gel in there, take your brush, just brush it down. You're just gonna keep brushing it. This is not a one-time brush process either, so don't think you're gonna brush it one time and it's just gonna slick back. No, you have to continuously do it. You see, until stuff like this is gone. Okay. See that right there? That has to go. That has to go. So this is when you could take a little brush or a little comb and just like comb it out. And then go ahead and put it into your official ponytail. Remember, it's on the side. You might be tempted to put it in the middle, but remember, it is on the side, sweetheart. Ouch. My hair keep getting caught in my earring, and that ish hurts. Now this is the official point. Ow! Yo, I just bent my nail back. That jaw like hurt. Then you gonna pull it. And then if you need to, it is okay to use some bobby pins and pin down those areas where your hair might be sticking up and out and all types of places. I gotta do it all the time, so yeah, you're not alone, ma'am. It's okay. Use as many bobby pins as you want. And if somebody check you, you tell them to do your hair for you. That's how you do that. So now we're gonna move into edges. So I like to do, first you just start by brushing it back, making sure there's no like huge gaps or anything. And then for some, where are they at? Okay, for some extra cuteness, oh, is that an eyelash? That's an eyelash. So I found one of my lashes. But what I like to do, yep, it's really gone. So I can take little clips and just stick them on my hair like that. Now if you want to put it into a bun, you could do that. All I really do is I just wrap it around itself and then put a ponytail on it. But I want my junk like nice and big and poofy, so get it quick dry.
That's your first record?
Okay. If you like this video and you think I'm John Cool and Cool Peoples, I'm gonna need you to subscribe, okay? And as you hit the subscribe button, hit this cuz the notification bell. Hit that like button. Drop something in the comments. If you want me to follow you on Instagram, drop that in the comments. Drop your name in the comments. Do something, you know? You know, but yeah, I need to go eat because everybody's tripping. So I'm gonna go eat. And I will see y'all in my next video.